All right, question two. I pre-wrote answering this question just so I can explain through it and not waste time writing it. So I'm just going to explain what I did here. Christina's car will be worth $14,250 in 3 years. What will be the total cost of the car be at the end of the loan? So this type of total cost equation, so to speak, is a fluid equation, which it changes. Okay, and the basic idea of total cost, and you see that I can wrote above the question there. Total cost equals total money paid. Okay, so all the money that you're paying on it, and so that's the interest, that's the depreciation, that's the uh, the compounds, the down payments, whatever money you're paying into there, fees, whatever, minus money returned. Okay, so in this case, the value of the car. Okay, then after at the end of this loan, we're gonna have a car that we can potentially sell for a certain amount of money. All right, so that's what it is. So in this particular case, our total cost is going to look like we're going to use our payment. All right, so we want to use the payment because inside this $646 is the interest and all that in there already. So that's going to tell us how much interest we paid on the loan. So basically, the payment times the compound is going to give us the total amount of the loan, which was with the interest, the extra money we paid into it. All right, N is our compound, so that's part of the payment. The down payment, okay, remember that we didn't finance the whole car. When we finance part of it, we put 10% down. So we got to add that to the money that came out of our pocket. And then we're going to subtract the car's worth, depreciation. All right, so they get the total cost of this car. So we're going to take our payment here, it's $646 and 4 cents. Okay, multiply that by our compound, which is 36, plus our down payment, which was 2,359 and 90 cents. All right, and then minus the car's worth, which is $14,250. All right, put that all in our calculator, whatever calculator we got, and we're going to get a total cost of $11,367.34. Okay, and what does that mean? That means that's how much the car cost us to purchase it. All right, so like I said, the interest extra in there is calculated, our down payment that we paid in there, and the depreciation of the car. We bought a $24,000 car that is now worth $14,000 3 years from now. So all that's potential loss in our budget because we're still paying for a $24,000 car, even though the car is going down in value. So that's the whole definition of this assignment, buying a losing investment. And the car is an example of that. Okay, so other examples of losing investments, just to kind of sidetrack a little bit. I don't know if they're quite as bad. I just know automobiles are pretty up there as far as losing money. There's computers. Okay, you buy a computer, it's not going to be worth the same a week from when you buy it. Cell phones, appliances. Okay, those things lose investments. So things that have a lot of wear and tear. Okay, it's not like a home where you buy a home and your home will go up in value. All right, so this is one of the ones that lose money. All right, so it says, what is the benefit of this type of financing? What is the cost of this type of financing? Okay, so well, basically the benefit is that well, you can buy this $24,000 car with a payment of $650 a month, and if that's manageable for your situation, then you have a car to drive to work every day. So that's the reason people take loans. Not everybody has $24,000 to just buy a car. All right, so they can break it down, but it costs you an interest. And that's basically the cost of this type of financing. You're paying more for something, and not only are you paying more, it depreciates in value.